How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll quickly show you on how you can fix your Miyoo Mini Plus stuck on black screen. Now, basically, the first thing that you want to do is to simply drain your console any battery or any electricity. Now, to do that, there's two ways. Basically, the first thing that you want to do is to just remove all screws, and then you could simply remove the battery itself. Or if you're using something like this model, you could just remove the battery. And right after, you want to press on the power button for at least 50 seconds or 20 seconds, making sure that the circuit board is drained out of power that's causing the problem. Right after, we could simply turn it back in. So you could just insert your battery again, turn it back in, and see if that works. If not, basically, what you need to do is to remove the SD card from your console. And basically, we need to reformat our console, or we need to update the firmware because we have, or there might be a corrupted files or missing files on our device that needs to be updated. So you want to simply search for the Miyoo firmware downloads, and then we want to look for the right firmware. Basically, in our case, we are using the Miyoo Mini Plus. You want to get the official firmware, and basically you could just make sure that you have installed the firmware correctly by overwriting the old firmware with the new one, plug it back onto your controller, and from there you should be good to go. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.